Welcome to the Indiana Farmer. Hello everybody, I'm the Indiana Farmer and thank you for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and why don't you push like too. I'm here with Cassie Mish from Platinum Ag from the great state of Indiana. Hey, thank you Cassie for coming out today, appreciate it. So what are we doing today, Cassie?
Today we're putting in a soil moisture sensor under a pivot, and that's one of my favorite things to do in the summertime.
Cassie, what is a soil probe?
Well, you have a lot of pivots, so you irrigate, Aaron, right?
That is true.
There's a lot of growers in Indiana who irrigate, and a lot of them are usually asked the question, I would guess you've asked this yourself, do I need to irrigate? How much water's in the soil, and how deep are my roots? And today, most growers just, the best methods we have are to scratch a little bit of the soil, see if it's dry, or other people irrigating, and make that decision. But a soil probe goes 3 feet down on the ground and tells us how much water we have and where our roots are.
You're not just supposed to water when you think it's too dry?
A lot of growers do, and generally you're fairly kind of right. But I would say there is a better way to get our irrigation timing a little bit more accurate and make sure we're not putting on too much water so that water doesn't go deeper than our roots are.
So here in Indiana, we have quite a bit of water, at least where we are. But I know in other parts of the country, it's a pretty big commodity. So
this is a soil moisture sensor itself that we're putting in the ground. It is 3 feet long. It has 9 sensors inside of it, so they're every 4 inches. So what we're going to do is drill a hole, put the probe down in a hole. We're going to attach it to basically a cellular box that will send all the information from the probe to an app and a website, and that's going to tell us soil moisture and rooting depth. Lots of fun, cool information. One of our #1 rules is don't kill the corn plants that you're installing in between, so we're going to be real cautious around those. The #2 major rule is don't put a probe in a pivot track.
Oh.
So I've already checked that, Aaron.
Okay.
We're good.
I'm looking around. I took out all my tracks, didn't I?
I've already checked it on your imagery, so you should be right in the middle of the stand. Okay, so first thing we do is put a tripod down directly between 2 corn plants, and that helps us drill a solid, stable hole.
Your backpack?
The tripod. Or
Your backpack's like Dora the Explorer.
I would say a mixture between Dora the Explorer and Mary Poppins.
We're going to drill a hole 3 feet down in the soil that the probe can fit right into.
And what's the reason for not hitting the plants? Or killing off the corn right next to it?
That's a good question. The reason we put the probe right directly between 2 corn plants is so that the roots grow around that probe. We'll see information that the probe generates and rooting patterns. So we want to be right next to those roots. So we don't want to break our plants off because they'll have no growing roots. So collect a small soil sample from each foot depth, and that way I have a good understanding of what the soil texture is, and then I can better understand the information coming off of the probe.
I would probably say no until you get to about, there's clay under here at some point. Can you believe it?
I believe you. Yeah, definitely.
Is it wet?
Yeah.
Okay, now we get the 3rd foot. We're going all the way.
Table. That's why I'm so curious about this.
Yes.
Sure. Pretty sure it's about all the same.
Okay, put the probe down in the hole we just drilled. It gets a little bit tighter as you get to the top, which is perfect, and we just push it in, level with the soil. Okay, so we got to put a T-post on here, so don't run over this one, Aaron.
I won't.
This is called a telemetry box with a solar panel. This is just basically what has the cellular modem, it has the antenna, etc. So we're going to mount this to the post, and then we're going to connect the probe to it.
And for those who didn't know, or if we haven't said yet, I'll be able to look at this on my phone. Question mark.
Science words.
And it's going to make lots of pretty charts and graphs and cool information that we then have to look at and understand what it means.
They're all a pretty nice looking field of corn though. This is what bothers me, is these small ones right here. See, it came up later than this one. Same thing with this one. Turns into a weed. I don't know. If I was Cool Cat, I would flag it and then come out here later and see if it ever puts on an ear.
Kirsty's raising up the antenna on an antenna extender so it can get a little bit higher in the corn canopy so our cellular signal, our antenna signal works.
So Cassie, what got you interested in all this?
Well, several years ago I was already working with customers on other agronomy services like nitrogen management and seeding prescriptions and soil fertility, and a lot of them also irrigate, and I saw that there weren't any sensors or measuring devices helping growers decide when and how much to irrigate. So it's kind of a natural fit. I saw a need with customers I was already working with, and I just found the technology really fun and interesting, and it's really cool when you can see what's going on 3 feet down in the soil.
That is pretty neat. How long have you been doing this?
I've been doing agronomy services as an independent crop consultant for a little over 5 years, and I've been doing these soil moisture sensors for about 4 years. A lot of times we can save growers at least one pass. It's easy to tend to want to overwater versus underwater. You know, we want to make sure the corn has enough water, or the soybeans as well. But sometimes we can save a pass or two if we know there's good soil moisture there. I would say growers love the peace of mind that come with this information. They're not having to worry about, is it okay if I don't irrigate on the weekend, or do I need to? Which pivot should I turn on first? They know that and have better peace of mind. So what I'm doing now, I'm taking the end of the probe and I'm connecting it to this cellular box so it can start to talk to each other. We also have an external air temperature sensor that can be fun to see our daytime and nighttime temps that goes outside.
Oh, neat. I didn't know that.
Yep. Okay, so we've connected the probe to this, what we call the telemetry box. This is where all of our connections come in. The probe, the temp sensor, the solar panel all come into this box. We have a battery, the cellular modem, and the antenna are all housed in here. So
Nice.
I just turned it on, so in a couple minutes I'm going to check a website. I typed in the number that's on the side of the box, and we're going to make sure that it's reading everything okay.
Well, thank you everybody for watching. I'm the Indiana Farmer, and thank you to Cassie.
Hey, that was lots of fun.
Thank you. It was lots of fun. Any parting words I need to know?
Yeah, sure. Okay, so our soil probe is in. The next thing that happens is I register it to send data to the cloud. We're going to start getting information on soil moisture and soil temperature, and it's going to make pretty graphs, kind of like an 8 kg graph, and we're going to understand how deep are our roots and where's our soil moisture, and I'm going to start sending notes to Aaron once a week on if he needs to irrigate or not.
Hey, thanks once again. We'll be talking to you soon. Bye.